Okay. Good evening, everybody. You are welcome to the Danace Computer Project Danace webinar from the Stable of Special Learning Needs Consultants in Nigeria, where we make learning and technology easy, accessible, affordable, and available for everyone, mostly those with visual impairment. Anyway, we say most especially those with visual impairment because they are the ones that enjoy the larger portion of our
Hello.
Hi.
The moderators, are you there?
Hello. Can anybody hear?
We are here, but the moderator, I think the network at its end is bad.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. Who's online?
Yes, to me.
Okay. Our moderator seems to be struggling with his gadgets.
You are welcome. Let's hold on.
So, while we are doing the meeting, let me just mute my audio.
So that is all we do at Special Learning Needs Consultants. We offer trainings, we sell tutorials and some specialized materials for persons or persons with. So the essence of that is to help develop a new age computer expert, because for some time now we realize that it's only from a particular section or particular gender, or let me say particular set of individuals that are in this computer race. So we are trying to build up and to bring up many persons with disabilities who are computer literate, or let me put it this way, we are building up a new set of computer geeks. Are we right there? Please, if your background is noisy, it's better you kindly mute yourself so that every participant can have the same benefit of nice activity. Thank you. So, by research I conducted in 2011, please,
Hello.
let's meet ourselves.
Hello, moderator.
Let's meet ourselves. Someone's background is noisy. Let everyone be muted. Good. Thank you. God bless you. So, as I was saying that for quite a long time, I think I did the research in 2011 at the University of Jos. Then I realized that the computer literacy level of persons with visual impairment is quite very, very low. So that hasn't given me much concern until when I was doing my master at University of Ibadan in 2015. I conducted similar research again, and I realized that the literacy level in computer is very, very low. So this gives me a sort of a concern. So that was like in 2017, no, 2016 till 2017, I organized this same Danace. Is a free computer training program that lasted for almost 2 years, whereby we treated about how many topics? That's about 138 topics from the basics, that's the beginner, up to intermediate level, where we dealt with PowerPoint, Excel, and the likes. And even some of those people that benefited then are in this group. Please, if you have benefited from Danace in the past, please, can I hear you speak? Please, kindly share your experience with us in a few minutes, in a few words, please. Thank you. Destiny.
Okay, Destiny Chukuma Dixon. I was also a beneficiary in 2017 of the Danace Computer Project. Yeah, and we treated several topics indeed.
Training. Okay, good. Do I have another person?
Yes, I'm Nasiruddin Oladele. I was also one of the beneficiaries.
Okay,
and
good.
we learn a lot from the basic to the intermediate.
Okay, okay. Do I have any lady here? I know that there are some ladies in one of Danace. Then do I have any of them in the class in this webinar? A lady. A lady who participated in Danace in the past. Okay. Your name, please. Oh, that's not audible. Oh, I can't hear you. Hello, can you speak louder? Okay, it's like your network is so bad, so we can't make out what you are trying to say. And then the strength of Danace then cut across states, regions, and country. Then we were running it on about 4 platforms. That's WhatsApp, Google Plus, Facebook, and then Google Groups. Yeah, those are the 4 platforms we were using then. And then LinkedIn. Yes, we were also using LinkedIn, 5 platform that we were running concurrently then, and cut across many states, regions, and then country, even continents. Let me say, because on the platform then, on the class, we were having students from Sri Lanka, from New York, from Pakistan. These 2 important personnel on blindhelp.net, they were part of the class there. Abdul Muhammad and Tai Sida from Eritrea. They were both in the class then. And then
Taisheta from Indonesia.
Yes, Indonesia, thank you. In Indonesia. They were part of the group there, and the quite impactful. And then one of the greatest joy that I have today, because if you can see me, I am smiling from here to here, because I realized that a whole lot of us, in fact, the registration almost crashed with the database, because many people registered that, oh, they want to be part of Danace. Even till yesterday when I was on transit, oh, please, I've not seen the mail, please add us to Danace. So it's a quite happy moment to have you here back. But however, there is going to be a little twist to what you've known before about Danace. You know, Danace then runs like every day, then it got to a time it was twice a week. But now we're actually looking at, okay, let's just start little. Don't let us start big. Let's start little and then see how it goes. So we want to begin once every month. So we'll be bringing up a difficult topic, things that we know that is very essential to our computer literacy. Then we are going to treat it. So we take a look at it together. I will tell you how to go about it, from Microsoft Word to PowerPoint, Excel, database management system, computer networking, computer programming, Python, Java, scripting, just name it. And the interesting thing about it is that I am not going to be the only one to be teaching you. We are now a team. So you may hear my voice in some areas where I am a specialist. Another time you might hear another person's voice that is specialized in that area. Especially when it comes to sound engineering, you may not hear my voice. It will be another person you'll be hearing. And by the time we are even going into something like Python, networking, it may be another voice that you may be hearing. And SLNC team is so big and wide, even up to United States, you may be having people to teach you in any tips. So as time goes on, so I will just employ that. Any moment you are on a Danace, please and please, you need to see it as an impactful section that is going to turn you around for good. Are we together? So on that note, I will want us to kindly introduce ourselves one after the other. You will tell us your name, and where you are joining from, and then what you do for a living. If you are a student, you will say schooling. If you are a core member, you say serving the father's land. And if you are working maybe as a journalist, you can say journalist. And if you are a teacher, you are teaching, you can say teaching, kind of. So I will start with myself. And you can also give us a little bit of yourself. So I will take myself again. My name is Olufemi S.A Bayode from Sharing Needs Consultant. I am special educational consultant. I'm a computer expert. As a technology enthusiast, I'm an author, a poet. What else? I'm a renowned and TRCN certified teacher with many years of experience. And I'm speaking from Lagos, Nigeria. So another person, over to you.
Hello.
Okay, you're welcome.
Go ahead.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm Nasiruddin Oladele, serving the fatherland, speaking currently from Ondo State, Nigeria.
Okay.
Okay, Destiny Chukuma Dixon, journalist slash official of at least 2 NGOs,
Good.
Disability Rights Action Group, and SANVIP is a Niger Delta organization. And then for journalism, I practice with a quarterly magazine called Extra Mile Africa. Okay, and I'm speaking from the outskirts of Lagos.
Okay. Nice to have you.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. Welcome.
Good evening, everyone.
Good
My
evening.
name is Clyde. My name is Clyde Otagbe, and I'm calling from Abuja City. I'm a lawyer by profession.
Okay.
Nice meeting you.
Nice to have you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes. Another person.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening. You're welcome.
Thank you. My name is Eloka Odue.
Yes.
I'm speaking from Abuja, and I'm currently studying. Yeah, I think that's about it.
Yeah,
I'm glad to be here.
okay. It's a pleasure to have you.
Mm.
Where are my ladies?
Hello,
Hi.
my name is Justin. I am, to keep it short, a consultant with an NGO. I'm joining from Lagos, Nigeria.
You're welcome. Okay. Who else? Who else? Who else? I think I heard a lady's voice earlier. Where is she? Are you shy? How shall I shy?
Hi, everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm so sorry. I had network issues. My name
Okay.
is Ashma Atu. In Plateau State. I'm from Benue originally. I'm a counselor by profession. I work with an NGO.
Good. Yes, nice to have you. Okay. Yes. On this call, let me check it fast here. Who else on this call?
I think that's just about it. About five people are on the call.
Yes, I think we are. Okay, yeah, fine. Okay. Right, so we'll be waiting for the rest to join us along the line. So, but to just cut it short, so today we are taking a look at a basic tool of productivity, which is Excel. Where Excel is a tool that emphasizes productivity of an individual, and as a matter of fact, Excel is usable in any sphere or discipline, be it within the legal arena, or if you are a counselor, if you are a journalist, if you are an historian, if you're a consultant, there is no how you won't deal with Excel, because every human being deals with data. In fact, there is a saying that the 21st century is the era of data. That is the era we are in. Every now and then we work with figure. Either you are talking about person, okay, how many number of persons are here, you are talking figures. If you are talking about money, you are talking figures. If you are talking about items, maybe the number of goods on the counter, number of files, you are talking about data. If you are talking tax, you are talking data. So, and then this Excel is also one most have skill for any individual that aspires to work or to be as in indispensable. I must say, let me put it that way, or in someone that is most wanted by almost any organization. So if you have a very good of data analysis, data processing, I believe you can fit in any discipline. That's by the way. So, and I believe that with some of us, if not all, knew one or two things about Microsoft Excel. Yes. So if I want to put it on a scale, to say that based on the people that I'm seeing currently in this class, I can say that about 75% of you should have known at least basics of how to use Excel, at least to input data into Excel. If not 90%, can at least launch Excel and input information into Excel. Yes. So what we are taking a look at today is the power of a comma and punctuation marks in Microsoft Excel. Even people that are advanced or people that are at the intermediate level in Excel, they sometimes get confused or sometimes find difficult, okay, how can I perform this operation? Or what am I going to do to achieve this result or to carry out this analysis? And then what does each position mark actually meant, or this particular thing meant, if you are seeing it, or how can you use a particular position mark to achieve your aim in Microsoft Excel? So what we are looking at, the position mark we are looking at are 1, comma, 2, colon, 3, semicolon, 4, exclamation mark, 5, quotation marks, or yes, then 6, parentheses, and then 7, ampersand. Those are what we are taking a look at, and we are going to carry out some little analysis with them, show you how you can manipulate a data using any of these punctuation marks, and how you can get results. On that note, I will be sharing my screen so that you can hear my screen reader. Okay, let me ask, I believe the people on this group are both JAWS and NVDA users, or is there any sighted person in this class? Please, if you are a sighted person, please signify. Because there is one sighted person that indicated to be part of it, so I will know if I make use of mouse or I'm strictly going to use keyboard. Okay, let me believe there is no any sighted person in the class, so I will restrict myself to the use of keyboard alone. So I will be sharing my screen now, and I am going to make use of NVDA, and then in case there is anything that I'm going to carry out that is different with JAWS, I will let you know, and I will demonstrate it with JAWS, because I also have the JAWS screen reader installed on this same computer system. So let's get on with it. So let me share my screen. Can you hear the screen reader now?
More options button focused. More options button focused.
I believe you should. Can you all hear my screen reader now?
More options button
Yes,
focused.
we can hear you.
Okay, good.
Volume 95.
Yes, a noisy
Volume 100.
background, yes.
You said?
One of the participants has a noisy background.
Please, let's all mute our mic. let's mute our mics. If you know you are not muted, please mute. Yeah, so if you have a question, you can mute yourself and then ask.
Pitch 50. Rate 25.
Let me
Rate 20.
The speech rate.
Rate 15.
Yeah, it's a good at 15. So let me switch to an Excel sheet.
Book 1 dash Excel row 1 column 2. Book 1 dash Excel. Focus mode. Book 1.
Yes.
Document.
Good.
End call button and call left paren CTRL plus shift plus H right paren.
Okay.
Skype. Row 1 column 2. Skype document. Book 1. Book 1 dash Excel. Book 1.
Okay. So this is a Microsoft Excel sheet. You can hear it. Book 1.
Book 1 dash Excel.
We can hear
Book 1 dash Excel.
Book 1 dash Excel. So this is it. And then I am using Excel 2013, which is the same as 2016 and 2019, and as well as Office 365. Regardless anyone you are using, you are the same as me. And if you are using 2010, 2007, we are also at the same level. So no need for panicking. And if there's anything that is different on your own version of Microsoft Office Excel, I will let you know. Good. So
Book 1 pane focused.
are we okay? Are we all right?
Skype. Row 1
Yes.
document. End call.
Good.
Book 1 dash Excel. Sheet 1 table. XFT 1,048,500 or 1,048,576
Let me go.
or 1 million or 1.
Okay, I'm in cell A1. I believe we are all familiar with the work sheet environment. When you open your Microsoft Excel sheet, with the form of a box. So, and then within these boxes that you type in your data, and then everything text like words, they are regarded as labels, while figures are regarded as value. Just a refresher anyway. So I am going to type a few items here that I would like to use for my analysis. So let me type. Okay, yeah. Let me type goose.
Caps lock on.
I type goods in my
Cap S.
A1, then I press tab to B1.
These. Sheet 1 table. B1.
B1, I will type units. Then I press the enter key.
Sheet 1 table. A 2. Caps lock off.
I'm in A2, so let me type apple.
E.
Then I press tab.
Pla. Sheet 1 table. B2.
I'm in B2, so let me type 50 here.
Edit item. Edit and edit control 50.
Enter.
Sheet 1 table. A 3.
In my A3, let me type banana. And I press tab key.
Not sheet 1 table. B3.
In a B3, let me type 25. And enter.
Sheet 1 table. A 4.
Yeah, let me in my A4. Let me type carrots.
T.
B5.
T.
Let me type
Sheet 1 table.
17.
Edit item. Edit and edit control 17. Sheet
Hello?
One table, a 5.
In
Hello?
my A5, let me type berry. RRY.
R.
Hello?
Yes,
RRY.
I can hear you.
Yes. So you've moved so far, like to the 5th row already.
Yes.
I was trying to follow you so that it can work. We can work together, but I think I'm getting lost a bit.
Okay. Where are
So
you?
I have goods already. I have units.
Yes. Then when you press enter, are you on A2?
I am on a fresh page, but if I press the tab to go, it's not giving me. It's rather taking me to my the Skype. I don't know why.
Okay, maybe
Okay.
you should do it this way. Try and to press.
I'm using the arrow key now, and it's working now.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So can you just give me what you have written again?
Okay. In my
Goods.
A1, I typed
Yes.
goods.
Yes.
In my B1, unit.
Okay. Yes. Press
In
enter.
my yes, enter.
Then A2.
In my A2, I have apple.
Yes.
In my B2,
Yes.
50.
50. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
In my A3,
Okay.
banana.
Banana.
17B4.
Let me check.
25B3.
Then 25 in B3.
Banana A3.
Okay.
Carrot A4.
A4, carrot.
Yes.
Then
17B4.
in B4.
Yes.
Then berry in A5. Berry in A5.
B5.
And in my B5, I will put 60. 60.
Okay. Yes. Now I'm okay now.
60 in
Edit
5.
item. Edit and edit. Control 60.
Okay,
Yes.
let's press enter.
Okay.
Sheet 1 table. B6.
Let's write cashew.
In
Cashew.
A6.
In A6, yes, cashew.
8. E. W. Q. Sheet 1 table. C6.
Sorry.
Cashew B6.
Sorry.
A 6.
A6, yes.
A 6.
Yes. 60.
Sheet 1
Your
table.
cashew is 60 as well. 60.
Edit item. Edit and edit. Control 60.
Cashew 60.
Yes.
Okay. Let's press enter.
Sheet 1 table. A 7.
So let's write what now?
Hello, tutors. Sorry, forgive
Yes,
me,
sir.
please. What is A2?
A2.
That's
A2 is apple.
okay. But let me ask. Where you write goods, what is the next one in line? The number.
The one is unit.
Okay, unit. Okay, noted.
So the last thing we have to type is in A7, I guess.
Cashew
Yes.
A 7.
Okay, well, let's repeat banana.
Or mango.
Banana.
Let's use mango.
Okay. Well, let's use mango. Mango, yeah.
O.
Then
O. Sheet 1 table.
then
B7.
we type how many figure? Well, let's put 81. So good.
Edit item. Edit in 1.
81. Okay, good.
1. Sheet 1 table.
Okay.
8.
Are we all good to go? Are we on the same page? Or do you want me to go over everything that I've typed? Okay, let me do
8. Mango A7. Mango A7. Cashew goods A1.
in my A1 goods.
Unit B1.
B1 is unit.
Apple A2.
Apple A2.
50 B2.
23.
50 B2.
Banana A3.
Banana is A3.
25 B3.
25 B3.
E3, yes.
Carrot A4.
Carrot A4.
17 B4.
17 B4.
17.
Berry A5.
What do you have
60.
next? Berry.
Dairy, 60.
Yes. Then 60 B6.
Cashew, 60.
Cashew A6.
Cashew A6.
60 B6.
Yes.
60 again.
60.
Mango A7.
Mango A7.
81 B7.
81 B7.
8.
How much is the B7?
81.
Okay.
8. 9.
Good.
8, 9 or 8, 1?
81.
Okay.
81. Okay, so I want to start showing you how those position mark works and what they do. Okay, the first one I'll be talking about is our comma.
60 before 25 B3 60 before 25.
Are we together?
Yes.
Okay, yes. Our comma is usually used to combine two or more cells together. And you can use it in a position to highlight text that are not as well to highlight cells that are not together. You can use this. Well, for example, I want to highlight A1, B3, B6, and A7. Those are the only cells that I want to get rid of. And you know that the way we highlight in a Microsoft Excel, it's almost similar to that of Microsoft Word. However, Excel also have its own standard highlighting techniques, like using Control Spacebar to highlight the entire column, using Shift and the Spacebar to highlight the entire row. Or you combine your Shift key and then your arrow keys. So how am I going to highlight A1, B3, B6, and the A7 without touching the rest cell? If I'm to use the Shift key, there's no how I won't touch the cell to the left or to the right of all these cells. So, but Excel we can rely on the power of a comma to highlight all these cells alone, and then you can get rid of them. So if you want to highlight cells that are not together, so you separate them with comma using go to command. Let's do that. Control G.
A 10. A 10.
Control G for your go to.
Okay, go back. We'll go back to the Excel now.
Dialog go to colon. Reference colon. Edit.
You have to press your keystroke Control G for go to dialog box.
Okay. Control G.
Control and G. G for Gombe. Then you type A1, comma. You will separate all those cells with comma. A1.
1.
Comma.
1.
Yes.
Comma. B. 3.
Comma.
B3. Comma.
B3. Comma.
B6.
6.
Comma.
B6. Comma.
Then A7.
Then
7.
7. Okay.
Then press the enter key.
Book 1 dash Excel. Sheet 1 table. A 1 goods through a 4 caret selected row 1 column 1.
So if you press your delete key, for example, now you realize that those highlighted cells have been deleted. Let's check.
A 7.
Press our delete key.
Just press delete key.
A 1.
Delete key now.
E8 is what is reading.
You said?
I press delete key. It only tells me B8.
Then go back to the top with your control home. Do you still have anything in your A1?
Okay, I'm coming. It's only A2 here.
Do you have anything in your A1?
Yes, I have goods A1.
A 1.
But at least you didn't do it well.
Okay.
You didn't do it well. You can see my own. Listen, everybody. This is my A1.
Cell A1.
You can hear?
Cell A1.
Cell A1. Nothing is there. Let me press my tab.
Unit B1.
Unit.
Apple A2.
So you can hear something my A2. Let me press that to my B3.
50 B2.
Yes.
Yes.
Something is there.
Banana A3.
This is banana.
B3.
Let me go to my this.
1760 B5. B6.
You can see. Well, my B6 is also empty.
Cell B6.
Where was your cursor when you started the go to?
When where you are doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because I can't even remember the place I am. It doesn't matter. One thing is that after pressing the enter key, you don't need to press your arrow key.
So let me do it all over myself again. A1.
Okay, Control G.
Comma. Yes.
Control G. Yes.
Yes.
A1, comma.
Yes. B3.
A1, comma. B3, comma.
Yes.
B6, comma. A7. Then enter key.
A7. No. B7.
No. A7.
Okay. Okay. Yes. No comma again.
No comma after that one. Then enter.
Okay. Yes. Now I press delete.
Yes. So you can
go back to the top key.
Yes. Control O.
Do we need to space?
A1 is empty.
No,
now.
you don't need space.
Okay.
I have A1 empty cell.
Yes, go to your B3. Your B3 should be empty.
Okay, B3.
Empty.
Yeah, B3 blank, yes.
Okay, go to your B6. You will find it blank as well.
Yeah, B6 is blank, yes.
Also your A7.
A7 is empty, yes.
Good. So that's just it. That is just it.
So if you have combined, what is the essence of combining it and the figures are still there, then it's only the items that are not there.
You said what? I didn't get your question. Please, can you come again?
Yes, like in A1 we have the goods.
Okay.
Now B3, A2, A1 is goods, right?
Yes.
Then we went to B3 that has the figure. It's
Yes.
not there, but the
Yes.
item is there. So
Yes.
what is the logic? What are we doing with this? What can we do with this type of combination?
Oh, okay. Well, just as I told you that that one of the power of a comma is to help you to have cells that are not together in a view. For example, if you want to highlight cells that are not together, you want to highlight them. Probably you want to copy them to go paste them somewhere else.
Okay.
As a single, as in tray of, as in information, string of information. You want to go and copy them or somewhere else. So, instead of you to first come, copy A1, paste. Then you come back again, you copy B3, you paste. You come back again, you copy B6, you paste, you come back. But with this, when you highlight them rely on this power of a comma, you can get all of them highlighted at once. Then you can copy.
Control C.
Control C. Then you can go paste them where you want them to be pasted. Are you getting me now?
Yes.
So reason why I just said that, okay, well, let's use delete key now is that so that you will know that only those cells were highlighted. You know, there's no how you will know that with they highlighted without you pressing the delete key, so that you can be able to go over it again to say, oh, these are not there, this are not. So you know that because when you highlight them and you press delete, that was why they all left the sheet. You understand now?
Yes. But I tried, my items still remain. I don't know what it's like I'm not doing something right.
Okay, let me take it again. You have to press your Control G for go to.
Yeah, okay, Control G.
Bring up a dialog box.
Okay.
Then you type A1, comma.
Okay. Okay.
B2, comma.
Okay.
A3, comma.
Okay. Yes, A3.
Yes, B7.
Okay.
Enter.
Okay.
Then press your delete key now to confirm it. Press your delete key.
Oh. It's still there.
What is in your A1? What is in your A1?
Apple.
No.
No.
A2.
No.
That's A2.
That is A2. What's your A1?
Yes. Goods.
Is it still there? Can you still hear goods?
Yes, it's still there.
You can see the word goods. That's weird. That's weird because what we did now is functional on any version of Microsoft, be it 2003, 7, 10, 2013, 2019.
On my B7, there was no data on it.
Okay. There's nothing in your B7. Then go to your B2. Let's check your B2 then.
Okay. B2, yeah, something there's item on B2.
What's in your B2, please?
I just indicated B2.
What's your B2?
50.
50. That is weird. And this which version of Microsoft Excel are you using, please?
I'm using 2019.
2019. And is it licensed?
Yes, it's licensed.
Yes, if it's licensed, it should work. It should work. I don't know the fix for yours.
Use addition. Start button to open. Press enter. USB disk security : USB disk security.
Maybe I want you to restart the program now because of time. So maybe after the class, you should try to restart and then reopen it and then try it. I believe it will surely work.
Okay.
Okay. Well, that's the first step.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I don't know if because along the line while you were doing the introduction, I had my data got finished. So while I went to subscribe, it's a lot of things went underground. I don't know whether we shall get any type of any document or whatever to be referring to, or we should be taking notes. I don't know which one.
Someone is already recording for us.
Okay.
Mr. Nasiru, are you recording? Eh? Afa Nasiru. He's recording. We asked him to record and he said he's already doing it for us.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we always have the recording in the group. I at least for the next 30 days, we have it there. Because I wasn't the one who would have started the call, I would have been able to do the recording this time. So, no problem.
So what we'll do is to come on this. How do we get the?
Immediately when the class ends, you will see the recording in the group, so you can download it.
Okay.
It is there automatically for 30 days.
It works now.
Oh, so that's it. Why? Why will it not work? Okay, good to know. So, yes, but if not introduce yourself, sir. I think I'm the only one with that knew you as Paul.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought nobody had the opportunity to do. I'm Paul of Panachi. I'm Abuja, Asokoro precisely.
Yeah.
And that's where I'm joining you from now. And it's nice being in this class.
For living? What do you do for a living? Who are you? Like a little bio by yourself.
Okay, currently I am just in the market searching for job. I just finished my master's in migration and refugee from American University in Cairo. Okay. And I came back into the country last September, no, August ending there. So since that time I've been running around to see how I can get something doing. So before now I have nothing for now. So that's what is. I think this is just the summary of it all.
Okay, yes, sir. So now.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening.
Yes, sir. My name is Moses.
Okay.
I'm well known as Blessed Moses.
Yes.
I'm a student of University of Lagos, currently from the University of Lagos right now.
Oh, okay. Joining from Unilag. Okay. Nice to have you.
Thank you, sir. I'm so sorry for coming so late.
No problem. You're welcome. So, that's first thing about comma. Another powerful thing about comma is that you can use a comma to combine two or more cells together for the purpose of a calculation. What most of us knew before is that if you want to perform any arithmetical operation, like maybe plus, minus, multiplication, division, okay, you can do something like a plus 1. A1 plus
so
A2.
We continue with the calculation with this same sheet.
Yes. We are still working with the same data. We're still working with the same data. So for example, you are having a set of numbers and you want to add them together, like what we know as A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A2 plus B5 before. So, or some people may even have it as within a particular range. They can say equal sum, with left parentheses, A1 colon A5. Then when they close it, they press enter. So they've solved that. So what if you are even trying to just combine like two or more ranges together? Then you do what? You rely on the power of comma to be able to combine two sets of data together in your calculation. Okay. So
can we feed back the cells that we have deleted so that we can use
press Ctrl Z, undo.
Okay.
Ctrl Z.
Yes. Okay.
60B5. 01.
Now, how do we start the combination now? This
Cashew A6. Mango A7.
Okay.
8.
So, if you want to do any calculation with Excel, you can be in any cell as far as your reference is correct.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say
Control G.
I'm in my
9.
I'm in my A9. So one thing that matters most, which I will want everyone to have at the back of his mind or our mind today, is that anytime you are trying to type in formula or you are trying to perform analysis with your Excel, always begin with your equal sign, because if you did not press your equal sign, Excel will not know that you are trying to type in formula or function. So you must begin with equals. Otherwise, Excel will just see it as ordinary text. Let me press my equal sign now. Equals.
Type in the formula. Press enter.
Edit and edit control equals.
Equals sum SUM.
SUM.
U
7.
Sorry. SU
7. U M.
Left parenthesis.
Left paren.
B2.
B2.
2.
Yes.
The time is
Comma.
7.
B.
Clock.
7.
PM.
Right parenthesis.
B7. Right
Let me
paren.
take it again. Equals sum. That's SUM. Left parenthesis. B2, comma, B7.
I don't know if I put comma. So how
Right
do
parenthesis.
I want to check to be sure that I have the comma.
Yes, do that.
B2, comma, right parent.
Have you done that? Then hit the enter key.
Sheet 1 table.
So I go back to B8.
Yes, where you did it.
131 has formula A9.
131.
1001.
131. 131.
I didn't get it yet.
Did you get it? So what did you get?
In fact, I cannot even see anything anymore.
Where did you perform your calculation?
Okay, I only found 50 in my A9. Oh.
In your A9?
Yes.
Was it A9 you carry out your...
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can you press your F2?
F2,
press
yes.
your F2. What can you see? Use your left and right arrow key.
Empty.
No, it can't be empty. Up arrow.
Okay, SUM.
Yes, SUM, yes.
Left B2, comma,
yes.
Right parent.
Can you see what you wrote? Can you see what you wrote?
So I was supposed to add something else.
Is what you need to have there is supposed to be equal sum, left parent, B2, comma, B7, right parent, but you did not put B7.
Okay.
So try
B7.
to put B7 now, then press enter key. Put it at the right place. That is after the comma, before the right parent.
And it still show me 50.
You did not put it right. Press your F2, you did not put it right. Didn't.
Okay. Should I delete it and start afresh?
If you like, anyone. What
now,
of the rest member of the class? Did you get it?
Now equals
SUM
sum
left parent B2 comma B7 yes, right parent. Yes, enter.
NVDA and dash and updates
It's showing me
dialog.
50.
No, can't be showing you 50.
Update and dash one. Close button Alt plus C.
Press F2.
Book 1 dash Excel. Sheet 1 table. 131 has Formula A9.
Was there another person getting error as well? Except there is nothing in your B7. Go to your B7. What's in your B7 normally? Check.
Okay.
Arrow to your B7. Except there is nothing in your B7. Go to your B7. What do you have there? Except your B7 is empty.
My B7, there is no.
You said?
That was where the first calculation was, because it has not deleted it. Maybe that is what is wrong, because the
What's
first
your B7
is that 81A1 B2B. That's what it's reading there.
881 what?
81A1 B. I'm coming. It's saying 881 A1, comma, B3, comma, B6, comma, A7.
Oh, wait. What are you writing, by the way?
This was that first calculation that we...
No, I said, what is in your B7? What do you have in your B7? That is the question.
That's what I'm reading now.
That's what you are reading?
Yes.
You're supposed not to even have that in your B7, even based on everything we've been doing. Supposed not to even have that. Maybe you did not press Ctrl G when you type all these things. That's why it over as in wrote what you have there before. Yeah, delete it, please. And put 81 there.
I put 81 alone.
81 in your B7.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So go back to your B and whatever, where you were doing this recent calculation now. What do you have there now?
Okay, now I need to
what
start
do you have there now? Go back there.
Nothing.
Nothing.
A9, nothing now.
Okay. We have to do it afresh.
Okay. Right, left parent.
Equal sum.
Yes,
equal sum. Left parent. B2, comma B7. Right parent. Then press the enter key.
131.
Fine. So can you see that the mistake is from you?
Yes.
So that is another powerful feature of Excel. You can use it to combine two cells, or two or more cells, or two or more ranges together to perform a particular function. You know, instead of us to be typing, okay, this plus this, plus this, plus this, even with your comma, you can achieve it. So that is how it is.
So we can also use for division.
Yes. You can use it for your products. You can use it for products, that's multiplication and then addition. Or, well, let me put this. Any Excel function, you can use comma in the line of its calculation. But for your division and your subtraction, you can't use it because they don't have any Excel function that carries out that. So you do that one manually.
Okay, we cannot use comma for division. And...
No. Please, let's mute our mic. Except if you have something to say. I'm hearing some background noise that is not good for everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So another thing. So I have spoken about comma. I said one. You can use comma to be able to highlight cells that are not together. That's 1. 2, you can also use a comma to be able to combine 2 or more cells together for your calculation, for your analysis. Yes, that's about comma, the power of comma. Then we have colon. Yes, you've been seeing colon. We've been making use of a colon. So what does colon? No, don't let me even go to colon first. Well, let me go to parentheses. We've been seeing parentheses. At least we just use parentheses now. So parentheses is basically the container for your Excel arguments. Again,
it's a container.
Parentheses is a container for your Excel arguments. That means any analysis you may want Excel to do with any predefined Excel function, you make use of parentheses. Or if you want to perform a set of equations, you also make use of your parentheses. For example, if I want to combine like 4 different arithmetic operations, I will make use of my what? Parentheses. Because the parentheses also help to change the order of things in Excel. In fact, me personally, I call the parentheses a game changer. I call it a game changer because it tells Excel that this is the place you should calculate first. Are you getting me? So let me do something like that. Yeah.
A 10.
I'm in my A10 now. So remember, if you want to type any calculation, you press your equals. Okay. This is equals.
Edit item. Edit control equals.
You press your equal sign.
Okay.
Then let's do 25. That's 25.
For Excel, anywhere.
2.
Where you like.
5.
25 plus. Use your plus sign. Your plus sign.
25 plus.
Plus.
So that's immediately after the equals.
Yes, your shift equals give you your plus. Then left parenthesis.
Left paren.
20.
2. 0.
Minus
20 dash
10.
1 0.
Then close the parenthesis.
10. Right paren.
Then if you like, you can now divide it again. Slash is your divide. Slash 5.
5.
What I wrote is 25. That's equal sign first. 25 plus, you use your plus sign. Left parenthesis. 20 minus 10. Your dash is your minus. Then you close the parenthesis. Then slash 5. So let me press the enter key.
Come in again because I missed out that.
You said what?
I missed out immediately after plus.
I said 25 plus left parent. That's your shift 9.
Yes.
20 minus
yes 10.
Close the parenthesis with your shift 0. We close it for you. Slash 5. Your slash is your division. Slash 5. So let's press the enter key now.
5. Sheet 1 table 11. 27 has formula A10.
You can see 27.
Yes.
Of which you'll be thinking that Why is it supposed to be 27? It's not supposed to be 25 plus 20, that's 45, right? Minus 10, which is 35, right? Then 35 divided by what? 5. We're supposed to be what? 7.
Yes.
Did you get it? It's supposed to be 7, is it not so? But it's not that way. So what Eze did was that Eze first looked at 20 minus 10, that is things within the parentheses, which is 20 minus 10. How much is that?
10.
That's 10. Then we now divided it by what? 5. Which gives us what? 2.
2.
So 25 plus 2, that's 27. Did you get it now? Hello? Did you get it? Did you understand?
Yes,
sir. Fine. So that is what Excel did. As in, first had this, but if I want to change it around, of which I want you to first add 25 plus 20, then subtract 10 before dividing it. I may do it this way. Then let me go back. Then press my F2.
Edit item, edit and edit control equals 25 plus left paren 20 equals.
I pressed
on that 27.
Yes, on that 27. So
F2.
What we have here is okay. Yeah, we have
2.
Let me do this because
5 plus left paren.
Let me make it 10 now.
1.
No. Let me make it
1.
5.
5.
5 divided by
5 slash.
I'm not.
2.
I don't know. I'm not.
Or are you following? Or let me do it separately. Well, don't worry.
Sheet 1.
Well, let me do it
E10.
somewhere else. Well, let me do it somewhere else so that I won't get you confused. So I will press equals.
Edit item, edit and edit control equals.
Equals. I am doing it in another empty cell.
Okay.
I have pressed my equals. 5.
Formula.
5.
Formula.
Yes. 5 slash.
5 slash.
Left paren.
Left paren.
25.
2. 5.
Plus.
25 plus
20.
2. 0.
Right paren.
20. Right paren.
Minus.
Dash.
10.
1. 0.
Then let's press enter now.
Minus 9.10.
Sheet 1 table. P11. Minus 9.88889 has formula B10.
So you can see what happened now. So can you guess what happened? Guess. So let someone guess for me.
B9.
Excel perform it.
Minus 9.89 has formula B10.
Hello, can you guess?
I think it worked with parentheses first.
Yes, you are right.
But that figure is the 20, right?
That's 25 plus 20.
25 divided by 20.
No. it first added 25 and the 20, which is 45. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Then we now divided it by 5, which is 9.
9, okay.
Then now subtracted 10 from 9. You do get it now?
Get the minus 9